Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get Spotify Premium for free on your iOS or Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So there are several legitimate methods that can be considered to enjoy Spotify Premium features on your device without even paying. These option ranges from official free trials to promotional offers through partnered services. So if you tap open your Spotify app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So when you log in into your account and tap on the premium option, a 1 month free trial can be provided to new users who haven't previously subscribed to any of the premium options or premium schemes of Spotify. You will need to provide payment details, but you can cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid charges. And occasionally, Spotify also provides a 3 month free trial for new subscribers. These promotions are time limited and may vary from different reasons. Along with this, there are many collaborations through which you can get free trials like Microsoft Rewards, OnePlus Red Cable Club, Rakuten Viber, Tinder subscribers, and even Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. So these are the way you can get free trial of Spotify Premium for free on your iOS and Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.